Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Emily, and Emily writes from Ridgewood, New Jersey. And Emily writes, "There is something wrong with the sewer line on our block. Isn't it the city's responsibility to fix it?" Well, Emily, it is the city's responsibility to maintain and repair the main sewer line. But it is each individual property owner's responsibility to maintain the sewer line on their property that connects to the main sewer line. So if there's a sewer line break on your property, then it's your responsibility as a property owner to repair it. It's the city's responsibility to maintain the main line. And you can find out where the boundary is between the public sewer line and private property sewer line by calling the public works department in your city. And you may be able to file a claim with your home insurance company to recover some of the costs associated with fixing the sewer line on your property. But most typical homeowners insurance policies don't cover sewer line, but you can buy a separate service line coverage, or what's called a buried utility coverage endorsement, to add to your existing homeowners insurance policy to be covered for sewer work. Now, if there's a sewer break that's on your property and your insurance doesn't cover it, then you'll have to hire a master plumber to do the repairs. So thanks for your question, Emily. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.